We are in the testbed space for the Commonwealth Cyber Initiative, and the testbed is basically a network where researchers can test their new ideas. So it's used for research and for innovation. It's a mixture of equipment and software, sometimes prototypes, sometimes commercial software that's then combined to make an environment that allows for repeatable experiments with a new technology. In this case, it's new technologies involved in the next generation of networks. One big decision that we had to make when we were setting up the testbed is what kind of technologies and what kind of equipment and software we were going to use. So we built it primarily using open source equipment, software and hardware. And at the time, there was a new idea starting to take shape that's currently called Open RAN, or Open Radio Access Networks. So we also embrace those ideas because part of Open RAN is a definition of open interfaces that can be used to support networks that are built up of equipment and software from different vendors. So we embrace this concept of Open RAN. And it turns out that the Chips and Science Act, when it got approved by Congress, set aside some funding for what's called the Wireless Innovation Fund. And that's really supporting the development of Open RAN. We were fortunate that we started this early enough that we are one of the, I would say, most of the advanced networks and testbeds to support Open RAN solutions.
I envision that the testbed is going beyond just like to provide the network infrastructure as a platform for research and development, but also provide a platform for innovation where we can come together with these industry partners and use the platform as a playground, as a testing and evaluation platform for new products that this industry partners is developing today.
Students work directly with the testbed to test new ideas, to collect data, to run experiments that will end up being part of their undergraduate projects, master's thesis, PhD dissertation.
I think the great excitement is coming right now with this kind of platform that we are providing. We are working with workforce development with the students, right? They are the engineers of tomorrow.